it. So it is opening. Yes, you can see this is a new windows here. So this is the SAP GUI. You can see here. So already, okay, someone is already added here ECC system. You will see here. So now here we will have our options. Okay, you can go here. Okay, you will have here options. Okay, click on options button. So here you will see a lot of options are available. Okay, so you will have themes like blue crystal themes, signature themes, enjoy themes, system. So there are so many themes are classic themes. So I'm going to configure here SAP configures. Okay, like signature themes. Okay, under this you will have multiple visual designs options like font setting, themes previews, boarding. Okay, define custom colors. Okay, so options are there. So based on your requirement, you can select it. Okay, so let's here I am putting this as a okay as default. Okay, so similarly we have another options here. Okay, so many more options are there. Okay, so if you have done, you can just click apply and okay buttons. So once you did, now I am going to add. Okay, so even you can see here you will have an options like Ex okay, workspace views, explore views, okay, tree views, some kind of list views. So all the views would be here. So as per your choice, you can set anyone. Let's see, I am going for a workspace view. So this is a workspace view. Okay. Even one more options are there here. If you click here, go to about SAP logon. You can see here what are the version basically installed. The release version is 7.5 final release. Okay, and this is the file name and version you can see here. Okay, build and package are there. So these are the basically we have a few detail about your SAP GUI. Okay, now even we can see here options like new, edit or delete. So what is you want? Let's see if you want to delete this one. So click here, you can delete it. If you want to edit anything, you can go here and edit it. You can see you can make some changes on this. Okay, so if you want to any changes server, if you want to put some changes, let's see SAP server. So you can make changes on and click OK. So that changes would be reflect here over SAP GUI. Okay, so let's here I want to add something. Okay, so how you can add? So based on my mail, you can see here. Okay, there is an option. Okay, so how basically we can add it. Okay, so I'll show you here. See, this is we have a detail like server detail. Okay, I would like to add SAP access into GUI. So you can copy this application server on GUI. Go to here. Go to new. Okay, connections, and now you have to add here. So let's see here, you can choose, click next. Okay, let's say I'm putting here SAP ECC, okay, 6.0. Okay, and put it here as a application server. And also you can see here there is two options are there, group and server selections. Okay, and custom application server. So I will go with the custom server application server. Okay, give your descriptions, parameters and your server applications, and you can put your like a system instance. So you can put it instance number here 17, and your system ID is EH. Okay, you can skip SAP routing string, not required now. Okay, once done, you can have a next. Okay, again click on next. Okay, now default, you can have it here language. If you want a specific language, you can select here, but default is English. So default will be there. Now click finished. So now you can see SAP. Okay, you can see here SAP ECC. Okay, icon would be here in the top of, okay, on this. So now you can double click. Okay, so login window will open. See, it is a, okay, window is opened here. So now, okay, I'm going to log in it. Okay, how you can log in into here? So I have a login detail here. You can log in using this. So let's see, I am logging into here. Putting, okay, I am putting here. Okay, so there is some issues. So let me try with other user. Okay, so it is not working. So let me try with other users. So So similarly, you can use this one. You can log in it. Okay. So once you log in it, you will able to log in into the system. So if you want to check more options here, you can. If you want to log off, you can log. So this is the way how we can use to install your systems. Okay, and GUI on all. Okay. Okay then. Yeah. Thank you so much. Bye.